There's this. I'll see you in a week.
Closer.
I'm back. You thought I'm gonna give up on van life just so easy? Not a chance. We're back in a van life. I mean, I'm back. Ashley and Yuki's in Calgary. Last night I arrived from up north, finished my money jail sentence. That's how I call it, because everybody go make money there, but it literally feels like you're in jail. I've never been in jail, but I had a feeling like that. I arrived last night, met Ashley and Yuki. I had night with them together. And this morning, I went to pick up Walter White. How you see? He's alive. I am going to Saskatchewan, Manitoba border, where I'm going for another job. Some people reached out to me while I was up there up north, and I just couldn't say no. This sticker, this sticker, this sticker, and that sticker draw Rob Milton. You can find him at Rob Milton Creations. I like how he draws and I like the style, and we thought, you know, we're gonna ask and see what he can do for us. And I think he did very, very cool. If you want to get some stickers, reach out to us on Instagram or on YouTube or on our email, canadianstealth@gmail.com. The job itself was really nice. We were working at potash mine. Mine one goes 3,000 feet down in the ground, but we weren't working there. We were working where they store all the potash, and we needed to clean all the dust off from the beams of the roof and make sure everything is clear there. So that was a pretty satisfying job to take these big chunks of potash, drop it down, you know. Yesterday I finished all that project and started to head out back to Calgary. I didn't took the Highway 1 because I just wanted to drive through the old country roads and see the land. Last night I ended up here. It's a beautiful spot. It's some provincial park, forgot the name, but no one's around for miles, and it's just gorgeous and peaceful and quiet. Just back in that van life thing, you know, being somewhere where no one is. I love it though. Yesterday was exactly 365 days since I moved in the box truck and left the house. I was just remembering all the things what happened last year. It's been quite an adventure. I look forward for the second year. This lifestyle definitely fits me, and I don't think I'm gonna change this lifestyle anytime soon.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. Does it feel like I belong? Trying to keep it alive on this hungry side for a better confirmation. Yeah, I'm heading for the station and I can feel love is real. Now you try. If you're willing to just come along with me, we can feel.
Grateful that I can afford this lifestyle and do this lifestyle. Just need to be a little bit more careful with my house on wheels and not be so reckless. Talking about that, I actually stuck yesterday again when I was driving this road to here. I hope I really learned from the previous lessons. I got stuck again and I used my shovel again. And I dig myself out. Ashley's gonna be so pissed. Don't worry, Ash. This snow is really hard. I didn't know it's so hard, you see? See? I will get out. I just digged out. And I'm gonna nicely back off and came from where I came from. I got out. I'm not going there. I'm gonna back off nice. And I was like thinking, oh my god, Robert, you don't learn from mistakes. That's what I want to say. And heading back to Calgary. Well, I have ran out of fuel. I have literally 100 kilometers left. And for the last 600, 500 kilometers, I haven't seen any fuel tank. Fuel gas station. So I don't know what to do. I need to go right there where it says no fuel service for next 88 kilometers. That's kind of cool road. I made it. It's not like, I guess, the gas station. It's, I don't know. It's a garage with a gas and they sell it and it was very expensive. But I put it in a little bit and I'm gonna make it to Calgary. Baby!
Oh, Michelle. I'm so messed up.
Yeah, Yuki, it's been a while since you've been in here, eh? Yeah. Let's go for a ride. Let's go to mountains, baby. We're gonna go to the mountains. Daddy's so happy. I know. Let's go. Okay. What's up, buddy?
Gary and Lloyd reunited.
I got you something.
Oh, that's awesome.
Right?
Yeah, man, those are sweet.
I know, Yuki.
Just clip the rope on her. Come on, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay, baby.
Nice to be back in a mountain, Shay. Today we're climbing Heart Mountain. Pretty popular mountain here, next to Calgary. It's a nice view, easy hike. And Yuki's enjoying it and Jason is coming along.
Great day to suck air.
Good girl. Okay, go there. You want a hand?
Oh, no.
It's slippery, that part, a little bit, but once you get the feet off. Yeah, buddy. Well, we have reached the summit. Beautiful view. Have a little dinner here.
How many pieces you got?
I have two, but I have two in a van as well.
Pizza in pairs.
Somewhere here in the mountains, there's some other van lifers. Another one. You got it. 2 hours later.
Canadian stealth, folks.
Nice. Let's say if you're official now.
Yes.
I'm one of the team, Mom. I'm one of the team.
Not all for me.
I have some hot sauces.
Hey, Yuki, you don't want any of this burger.
No, you can't.
It's making the back of my head tingle.
I have to tell you something. We just went to the Eastern European store. And there were all these sweets when I was a little kid. I was coming home from school and eating all of them. And I will show you. It's like Christmas for me. So this is Karumserinch. It is so delicious. I can't even explain in English what is that, but it's just tasty. And these things, paraniki. Oh my god! And then the salgastapelmi cookies from Latvia. You can't get wrong with them. Kvass. Do you know what is kvass? Tastes like beer, but it's not beer, and it's sweeter. It's almost like root beer, but it's not. BSB and Platzenishi. It's I don't know how to say it in English. Delicious!
The destination is on your right. Arrived.
Hey, what's up? Hey, this looks different.
It does.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Oh wow, you have a carpet here. Man, oh man.
How's it
Oh,
Calgary?
you don't tell me you're a crystal guy. Yeah, that good life was insane.
How's Calgary treating you?
It's pretty good. It's a city. City. It's pretty good.
You want to go shoot some guns?
I want to shoot some guns. from. Hey, oh wait. Concrete jungle, wet dreams, tomatoes. It's not what they say, but it sounds like it.
Are you excited?
Terrified. Thinking of free healthcare. Hunter. Very soft coat. You must be getting your omega-3s or salmon or beef or chicken.
Magazine.
Yep.
The button. Push down there. Okay, so now the gun shows you're ready to fire. Okay.
Picture guy. Dad said he got loaded last night.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're living good life here in Calgary.
A bit too good. Bit too good.
You can literally see everything what happens in other apartments.
I know, that freaks me. Well, because I, like, dude, I live naked. When nobody's around, I'm always naked. So, you know. Yeah. Here, you sit by your fella.
Hi, Ashley. Erica, sit next to me.
I hate sitting beside this guy.
Why don't you want to sit next to me?
You really creep me out. I don't even know you've been stalking me for years. Is that you?
First haircut.
Shut the fuck up.
1 year old. Mom just sent me that just then.
He's so pretty. He looks like a girl. How pretty. Doesn't that look like a little girl named Emily?
Oh,
Emily Stack.
unbelievable.
He's so cute.
I got the
Pushers. Okay. I see what you're doing. I see. I'm gonna fall off, but it's all good.
Hi.
Oh, sorry.
Hey.
Tower.
Oh, we're going off.
Thank you for visiting Calgary Tower.
Oh shit!
Oh, no way!
Shit!
Lose your mind.
All right. Oh, no, it's a glass floor.
No ropes here, buddy.
No ropes here is right.
Ooh.
I don't like how it moves, like when you're stomping.
Okay, can you stop skating that?
This guy doesn't even care.
Oh, just like stomping on it.
Suncor. That's the Suncor building, baby.
Where?
That one. I said, baby, where?
How do you know?
It's right here. Suncor.
Oh.
Energy. That's where you guys were.
Oh shit.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
because we are moving, just putting anything on the ledge there because it won't be there when you come back around.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we are moving. I didn't realize that.
What?
We're moving.
Yeah,
We're moving.
Oh, that's awesome.
interesting.
So it's been a week since I've been off, so how you saw, I enjoy a little bit of mountains and friends and time with Ashley and Yuki. I did not film that because I just wanted to really enjoy, because I know I've been going back to work very soon and it is tomorrow.
Lift or pink, real pink. Go up on the scaffolding, you probably get a good look at one.
Dude.
You guys are good luck.
That's the first time you've seen Northern Lights?
Yeah, I never get to see anything cool in Alberta other than like fucking cool ass construction shit.
They're probably out every night. Last night I heard they were real good.
No.
Hey y'all, this is my first day doing van life by myself. It was an interesting day. I didn't film much of it because I was mostly stressed out. Just trying to move out of the Airbnb and pack everything back into the camper and then finding a safe place to sleep. I think I'm kind of getting the hang of it, driving the truck by myself, but I really do miss Roberts. It's funny because when I'm with Roberts, we can be in like a junkyard and I'll feel safe, but without him, it's like I'm so paranoid. Every little noise, I'm like, axe murderer, but I'm not gonna say that a lot, but we're doing good. I'm still organizing the camper and stuff, but it's been a very long day. And that's that. I just wanted to show you my outfit for my first day of work.
Yellow.
And then yellow shoes. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
So it's been a month since I've been working here in All Sands almost, and today I'm leaving. I can't wait to see Ashley and Yuki. I'm tired. Been working on night shifts every single day without any break, so I'm done. Well, just landed in Calgary. I can't wait to see Ashley and Yuki. Oh my god. It's nice to be back. It's nice to be back.
Hello, Yuki! Hello, Yuki! Hi! Hi, Yuki! Hi, baby! Hi! Hi! Oh my god! Hi!
I missed you so much.
This is a nice surprise that you got home. I didn't think you were gonna come home tonight. I thought they were gonna keep you till Monday. So I'm excited that you're home. We get to have the weekend together. I don't have to train on the weekend.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to get off of you.
Good morning. Oh. What a morning to wake up, eh? What a morning to wake up. What a place to wake up.
Oh, I miss this so much. Seriously. Well, it is Monday, and we need to head back to Calgary because Ashley's continue her training. I have not told nothing about what she's doing. I will let her to tell you everything if she wants it. But she's doing some trainings for her new job, so maybe she's gonna tell you. But yeah, I just can't stop to look at this. Hey, love. You okay? Hello. Hello. I just want to say that I have never experienced outside atmosphere like it is today. So it is morning and we're here in Calgary. We stayed night by one hotel and it is crazy dark outside and it's like brown. Come, I'll show you. Do you see it? It's like this sepia filter on because it's forest fires outside in Alberta and all the smoke is coming to town. That's crazy. Do you want to tell people, like, what are you doing in Calgary?
What do you mean? What am I doing in Calgary? What do you mean, what am I doing in Calgary?
Like, where are you?
I'm not telling.
Well, it's another day here in Calgary because in the weekdays we need to stay in Calgary because Ashley's doing training here for her new job. And I'm looking at her. And I'm looking at her because she don't want to know. She don't want people know what she's doing and what she's doing and where she lives and what she's gonna do again. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make a little interview with her because she's so secret about what's happening.
Not secretive, just being safe.
All right, action.
Hi guys. For 2 weeks, I was doing van life by myself.
You need to speak louder.
For 2 weeks, I was doing van life by myself, and it was very hard. Not because of van life, because of being in the city and having to be downtown Calgary for my job and feeling very, very scared and unsafe. It was just me and Yuki. The whole time I just felt very unsafe without Roberts, and I did not enjoy it. And then a lot of stuff happened. Buttercup died. Not because of van life, she died before we got back into the van. So I was mourning her death and then moving by myself and doing everything by myself and then going to training every day. And then one day Yuki actually locked me out of the car and I had to break the window to get back in and crawl in through the side window over the sink. Then I had to get that window replaced. I had to go to a glass cutter and he was awesome. He cut the glass out for me. He replaced the window for me. It was very nice of him. And yeah, just a lot of stupid decisions. And I did not enjoy it at all. I drove in the wrong lane a couple times. Finding safe places to sleep every night was very taxing on the mind. Van life in the city, I don't like it at all.
Talking about your job, is it something you have done before in your life?
No. It's a new job, and I'm not telling anybody where I work. I don't want any visitors. Love you guys, but don't visit me at work, please. Please to God.
Well, thanks for the interview. Nice.
I expect my payment in the mail, okay? $10,000. Give me my payment. Thank you, guys.
It's another morning. We stayed last night here south of Calgary. Beautiful spot here with a little pond and a lot of green grass for Yuki to run. No one's bother us here. It's really nice and quiet. So my winter band season should start next week. It's gonna be somewhere in Alberta. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Ashley will not come with me. She's gonna continue her job here in Calgary. She will not have a van where to live in, so we decided to purchase apartment. So we did purchase apartment, so we don't need to rent nothing. So we rather pay mortgage than paying rent to someone We're gonna get our keys in June 1, so Ashley can move in and decorate how she wants it, and I'm just very excited for her. I'm gonna live my van life. I'm not changing that one. And then in the end, maybe we're gonna, when I finish my winter band season, maybe she can move in a van too, and we can rent it out for Airbnb, or you know, make extra income. That was all kind of our plan in a thought to, it's like an investment, you know. We could rent it out, make some money on that too. Lots of interesting things in front of us. Anyways, this video is very long, I think. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.